Hello, dear wonderful learners. Your friend Aprajita is here, and are you ready to go and start with a new chapter with your friend? Yes, we are going to start the Acknowledged series of Class 5 English Grammar by Amit Publications. So, let's start with chapter number 12 today, and the chapter is Adverbs. Children, today in this chapter, what we'll learn? हम पढ़ेंगे adverbs क्या होते हैं, adverbs कैसे यूज़ किए जाते हैं, कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं adverbs. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस लेसन को. Yes, तो पहले हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं. Let's read something and let's keep in mind these highlighted words too. जैसे हम करते आए हैं कि पहले हम sentences पढ़ते हैं, we read the sentences and we see the highlighted words also. The girl sings melodiously. The girl sings melodiously. So, melodiously is highlighted here. He is very clever. The highlighted word is very. The old man walks very slowly. Again, the highlighted word is very. In sentence 1, melodiously modifies the verb sings. Melodiously जो है ये किसको modify करता है? Sings को. क्या modify करता है? कैसे गा रहे हैं? वो गर्ल कैसे गा रही है? बहुत मधुर गा रही है. Melodiously गा रही है मतलब मधुरता के साथ गा रही है. तो हमने किसको modify किया? Sings को modify किया, change किया. ओके, उसके बारे में बताया कि गाना जो गा रही है वो कैसे गा रही है. He is very clever. In sentence 2, very modifies the adjective clever. Now see, clever is an adjective. Okay, it is telling about the quality about that boy or a man. He is very clever. Clever को modify किया कैसे? Clever कैसा है वो? Clever चतुर भी कैसा है? बहुत चतुर है. Very clever. तो ये जो very है इसको हमने लगाया clever को modify करने के लिए. And in sentence 3, very modifies the adverb slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Fine. So it is modifying this adverb slowly. कैसे? Slowly कितना धीरे? बहुत धीरे. The old man walks very slowly. एक तो चल रहा है वो धीरे. कैसे चल रहा है? धीरे चल रहा है. ये तो हो गया adverb. And उसमें भी कैसे चल, एडवर्ब स्लोली हो गया. एंड उसमें भी कैसे चल रहा है वो? बहुत धीरे चल रहा है. बहुत मीन्स वेरी. सो हियर स्लोली को मॉडिफाई किया वेरी. वर्ड्स विच मॉडिफाई द मीनिंग्स ऑफ वर्ब्स, एडजेक्टिव्स एंड अदर एडवर्ब्स आर नोन एज एडवर्ब्स. फाइन. सो जो वर्ड, वर्ब्स, एडजेक्टिव्स और दूसरे एडवर्ब्स के मीनिंग्स को मॉडिफाई करते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब्स. तो चलिए आगे देखते हैं काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. यस, नाउ वी हैव टू सी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स हियर. नंबर फर्स्ट इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. First we will see the very first one, adverbs of manner. Now read the sentences again. The child laughed loudly. Here again some words have been highlighted. The child laughed loudly. He performed beautifully. Beautifully is again highlighted. The highlighted words in these sentences are adverbs. They answer the question how. अभी यहाँ पे question क्या आ रहा है? The child laughed. अगर हम बोलते हैं the child laughed, कैसे हंसा वो? Child हंसा तो कैसे हंसा? जोर जोर से हंसा, loudly. Okay? So here how question जो है आता है उसका आंसर मिलता है हमें इस adverb के थ्रू. He performed beautifully. He performed. उसने perform किया. कैसे? How? Beautifully, बहुत अच्छे से. So here again this beautifully is an adverb. Yes. So now formation of adverbs of manner. अब adverb of manner देखिए हमने यहाँ पे अभी पढ़ा कि ये एडवर्ब्स यहाँ यूज हुए हैं, एडवर्ब्स दैट टेल अस हाउ और इन व्हाट मैनर। एक तो क्वेश्चन आया हाउ, उसका आंसर मिला हमें, एंड इन व्हाट मैनर मतलब कैसे, किस तरह से, एंड एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर। तो ये जो एडवर्ब्स यहाँ यूज हुए हैं इनको कहते हैं एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, जो कि हमें बताते हैं कि कैसे हुआ, कैसे किया गया वो वर्क और किस तरह से किया गया वो एक्शन, उनको हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर। इन एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है? मोस्ट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर आर फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग ly टू एडजेक्टिव्स। अब जो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं उनमें हम अगर ly ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो बन जाते हैं हमारे एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर। लेट्स सी हाउ। On one side the adjectives are given and on the other side the adverb is there. Bad is an adjective. Okay? He is very bad. उसके बारे में बताया कैसा है, वो bad है, वो adjective हो गया। अब जब उसके आगे हमने ly लगा दिया, उसको badly कर दिया, तो वो बन गया adverb. Fine children? Very easy and simple to understand that before an adjective के बाद after the adjective when we add ly it becomes an adverb and it becomes adverb ly लगाते ही वो adverb of manner बन जाता है। brave bravely, bright brightly, clear clearly, true truly, beautiful beautifully, clever cleverly, free freely। देखिए यहाँ सबके आगे हमने ly लगा दिया है, सारे एडजेक्टिव्स के आगे ly लगा दिया, वो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर बन गया। लाउड loudly, sweet sweetly, happy happily, new newly, quiet quietly, tight tightly। Now see, complete the following sentences using adverbs of manner। अभी आपने पढ़ा एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर क्या होते हैं। चलिए अब ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं एंड लेट अस सी कि यहाँ पे जो हेल्प बॉक्स में हमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर लिखे गए हैं यहाँ पे, उनको हम इस ब्लैंक में जो सूटेबल है उसको हम इस ब्लैंक में फिल करेंगे। तो आइए इसे करें। द बॉय सेव्ड द चाइल्ड। अब एक बॉय ने एक बच्चे को बचाया, कैसे कैसे बचाया? The boy saved the child bravely, बहादुरी, बहादुरी के साथ बचाया, bravely, bravely। Now next is he writes very, लिखते कैसे हैं? Very fast। Yes, he writes very fast। So we'll write here fast। The man treated the poor। The man treated the poor। आप किसी भी गरीब को जब आप उसकी केयर करते हैं तो कैसे? kindly। The man treated the poor kindly। दया भाव दिखाते हैं ना, kindness दिखाते हैं, तो the man treated the poor kindly। How can you speak so? How can you speak so softly? बात या तो loudly करते हैं या softly करते हैं, तो यहाँ softly दिया हुआ है। How can you speak so softly? The tiger ran। Now, and अच्छा, okay, the tiger ran fast। He writes very neatly। Is any neatly is there? No, he writes carefully। Okay, so he writes very carefully। Here we'll write he writes very carefully। Okay, and here we'll write the tiger ran fast। The tiger ran fast, F-A-S-T, fast। Boys shouted in the class। Now when people shout, then they shout very loudly। The boys shouted in the class loudly। Okay, now all these done, loudly is also done। They live in their neighborhood। They live in their neighborhood peacefully। They live in their neighborhood peacefully। शांति के साथ रहते हैं neighborhood में। And and the girl ran away. The girl ran away. चुपचाप भाग गई. वो लड़की चुपचाप भाग गई. The girl ran away quietly. The girl ran away quietly. So here we are done with adverbs of manner. और इसमें हर जगह ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा. The girl ran away. कैसे? How? जैसे ही how आता है तो वो adverb of manner हो जाता है. Now moving ahead. Next one is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time क्या होता है? Again read the sentences. They go to school daily. They go to school daily. Today I'll go to the library. Today. The highlighted words in these sentences are adverbs. They are, yes, definitely we are reading about adverbs. They are adverbs. They answer the question when. अब इसमें कौन सा क्वेश्चन आता है? When. They go to school. कब जाते हैं स्कूल? कब जाते हैं? डेली जाते हैं. When do they go? They go to school daily. Today I'll go to the library. मैं लाइब्रेरी जाऊंगी. कब? When? Today. So today is adverb. So adverbs that tells us when or at what time an action takes place are called adverbs of time. जब कोई adverb हमें बताता है कि कब या at what time, किस टाइम पे, तो उसे कहते हैं, किस टाइम पे वो एक्शन हुआ, तो उसे कहते हैं adverb of time. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs of times are yesterday, soon, now, immediately, daily, still, late, last night, etc. So these are few adverbs of time. Next is adverbs of place. Now read the sentences again. The child meets me here. The child meets me here. She has kept the cell phone somewhere. Somewhere. Again, the highlighted words in these sentences are, कैसे हैं ये highlighted verbs? Adverbs, ये जो words हैं highlight किए हुए, they are adverbs that answer the question where. अब इसमें कौन सा question answer हो रहा है? Where, कहाँ? The child meets me, child मुझे मिलेगा कहाँ? यहाँ, here. She has kept the cell phone somewhere. उसने अपना सेल फोन रख दिया है. कहाँ रखा है? कहाँ आ रहा है ना क्वेश्चन? तो these adverbs जो ये where का आंसर देते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Adverbs that tell us where or at what place an action takes place are called adverbs of place. जहाँ where का आंसर दिया जाता है उसे कहते हैं adverbs of place. So next is the exercise. Underline adverbs and mention their kinds in brackets. Fine. She brought food here for me. She brought food here for me. She brought food कहाँ? वो खाना लाई मेरे लिए. कहाँ? अब कहाँ मतलब कहाँ जब आता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Where. Where का मतलब place. तो here आपका जो ये जो adverb है here, इसको हम underline करेंगे. Underline the adverbs. And किस तरह का है ये adverb? Which kind of adverb is it? This is the adverb of place. Adverb of place. Write down here. Adverb of place. P-L-A-C-E. This is adverb of place. I received his call recently. Recently. When? When did I receive his call? When जब question आता है तो वो क्या होता है? Adverb of time. So this is adverb of time because it is answering the question when. There is a girl waiting for you outside. एक girl आपका इंतजार कर रही है. कहाँ? Where? Again where? Where means adverb of place. जहाँ where का आंसर दिया जाता है वो होता है adverb of place. Okay friend, see you soon. Okay friend, see you soon. Soon is the adverb here. See you when? कब? When. When जब आता है तो होता है adverb of again time. when शो करता है adverb of time. My father has a beautiful room upstairs. My father has a beautiful room upstairs. Upstairs is the adverb and ये क्या बता रहा है हमें, कौन सा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है इसमें? My father has a beautiful room. कहाँ है? फादर का ब्यूटीफुल रूम कहाँ है? कहाँ मीन्स वेयर. अपस्टेयर्स, तो वेयर जहाँ आया वो हो गया आपका एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. सो दिस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. एंड द लास्ट वन इज आई हैड अ ड्रेडफुल ड्रीम लास्ट नाइट. लास्ट नाइट आई हैड अ ड्रेडफुल ड्रीम. एक भयानक सपना देखा मैंने. कब? व्हेन. When shows the adverb of time. So this is adverb of time. Okay children, understood? Very nicely. Now moving ahead, next is adverbs of frequency. Now read the sentences here. The teachers never come late for school. The teachers never come late for school. We drink tea occasionally. We drink tea occasionally. The highlighted words in these sentences are adverbs of frequency. How they are adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency कैसे हुए? They answer the question how often. कब कब, कितनी बार. How often, कितनी बार. Adverbs that tell us how often an action takes place are called adverbs of frequency. When we get the answer to how often, there we say that this is an adverb of frequency. Okay? Some adverbs of frequency are usually, twice, sometimes, weekly, often, never, always, hardly, seldom, rarely, occasionally, hourly, etc. Now see children, here the teacher never come late for school. Never. How often? कितनी बार टीचर लेट आती है? कभी नहीं. टीचर कभी लेट नहीं आती. We drink tea occasionally. कितनी बार चाय पीते हैं आप? Occasionally. कभी कभी. Fine. So it is answering how often. So remember children, adverbs of frequency are usually placed before the main verbs. For example, I usually sleep at 10 a.m. Main verb क्या है? Sleep. और उससे पहले usually लगा है. He always speaks the truth. Verb is speaks. Action हो रहा है. Speaks. And उससे पहले always लगाया गया है. Adverbs of frequency are placed after the verb to be, is, are, am, was, were. अब after is, are, am, was verb ही लगता है adverbs of frequency. He is never late for school. I am always on time. देखिए am के बाद लगा, is के बाद लगा. These are the things to be learned by you, to be remembered by you all. Okay. The next one is adverbs of degree. Some sentences again. What are these sentences? Let's read. The glass was almost full. The glass was almost full. Sarita sings rather well. The highlighted words in these sentences are adverbs that answer the question how much, to what degree. How much, कितना, कितना, कितने तक, कहाँ तक. To what degree means कहाँ तक. The glass was almost full. कितना, कितना full था. Almost मतलब करीब करीब भर गया था ग्लास. सरिता sings rather well. कितना अच्छा गाती है सरिता. अच्छा, काफ़ी अच्छा गाती है. Rather well means काफ़ी अच्छा गाती है. Some adverbs of degree are extremely, just, rather, almost, nearly, quite, very, to. Adverbs that tell us the degree or extent of an action or a quality are called adverbs of degree. आपको अभी बताया जैसे मैंने, जिस जैसे क्वेश्चन आता है how much, कितना, और to what degree, to what extent, कहाँ तक, तब जो वर्ड हम ये यूज़ करते हैं उसे कहते हैं adverbs of degree. Understood? I hope you have understood this very nicely. Now let's do some exercises so that we understand all these things more nicely and we can do it more easily. So children, let's start. Complete the following sentences with suitable adverbs of frequency. Now we have to fill these adverbs of frequency here. Okay? He dash comes late. He is punctual. He dash comes late. He is punctual. अब adverb of frequency hardly ever. वो hardly कभी late आता है. So hardly ever. He hardly ever comes late. Fine. She dash takes rest during noon. She usually रेस्ट कैसे करती है, कब कब करती है, यूजुअली करती है. वो अपना नॉर्मल रूटीन में यूजुअली वो दोपहर को रेस्ट करती है. सो वी राइट यूजुअली हियर. शी यूजुअली टेक्स रेस्ट ड्यूरिंग नून. रवि डैश स्पीक्स लाई फॉर द सेक ऑफ हिज सिस्टर. अपनी सिस्टर को बचाने के लिए रवि कब झूठ बोलता है, कभी नहीं. नेवर. रवि नेवर स्पीक्स लाई for the sake of his sister. He dash talks to them. He dash talks to them. He वो उनसे कब बात करता है, often, very often. बात कर लेता है वो बीच बीच में कभी कभी. So he often talks to them. So here we take this often. She dash watches movies. Otherwise, she is all the time busy in her work. She watches movies. She sometimes, okay, yes, because she is very busy in her work, so she gets time sometimes. She sometimes watches movies. Otherwise, she is all the time busy in her work. So here we write, she sometimes watches movies. She dash does like black coffee. She dash does like black coffee. And okay, sometimes has also been done. She normally does like black coffee. She normally does like black coffee. So here we are done with adverbs of frequency. Now we come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of degree. Now here we have to fill adverbs of degree. The girl in red frock is dash beautiful. Very beautiful, yeah, almost beautiful. The girl in red frock is very beautiful. So this is the degree, adverb of degree. Your friend is dash helpful. Very helpful or most helpful. Your friend is very helpful. His project is dash complete. Very complete या almost complete. Project almost complete हो चुका है. His project is almost complete. She looks dash happy today. Extremely or nearly. She looks extremely happy today. When you're something you have done good or your some work has been done or you have achieved something, then you look extremely happy. So she looks extremely happy today. And the suitcase is dash heavy. Most here too. The suitcase is too heavy. बहुत heavy है. The suitcase is too heavy. My parents have dash arrived. Almost arrived या just arrived. अभी आए हैं, just अभी आए हैं. My parents have just arrived. So here we complete this exercise 2. Moving further, underline the adverbs in the following sentences and state their kinds. Now we have to underline the adverbs first and then we have to write down which kind of adverb is it. She walked fast but missed her bus. How did she walk? She walked fast. So this is the adverb of manner. Fast is the adverb of manner. It is telling how she walked. So underline fast and here we write adverb of manner, children, because it is answering the question how. Geeta does her work neatly. Geeta does her work neatly. So neatly, underline neatly. How she does her work? Neatly. So this is also adverb of manner because it is answering how. So this is also adverb of manner. Do your work carefully or you will be punished. How to do the work? Carefully. Again, the question is how, and this is also adverb of manner. Fine, children? This is also adverb of manner. The cat drank the milk and went out. Where did the cat go? Where? Out. So, when the question is where, then this is adverb of place. This is adverb of place. The principal talked to the child tactfully yesterday. The principal talked to the child tactfully yesterday. When did the principal talk to the child? Yesterday. Yesterday the principal talked to the child. So, this is again adverb of time. Yesterday. When? So, this is adverb of time. Now, next is the umbrella is kept there. There. Underline there. There is adverb. And where is the umbrella kept? The question is where. So, where is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Next is nowadays people rarely listen to the radio. Nowadays people rarely listen to the radio. Nowadays. Nowadays. Kab. When. When. So, nowadays is adverb of time. Nowadays is adverb of time. And the last one is, next is we went to the theatre yesterday. Again, yesterday. When did we go? When is the question. This is again adverb of time. Adverb of time. Next is I visit my grandparents often. I visit my grandparents often. Often, often. How often? This is adverb of frequency. This is adverb of frequency, children. If you remember, how often is the question. This naughty girl can never sit quiet. How can she not sit? She cannot sit quiet. So, how is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. And the next one is the storybook was very interesting. Interesting is the adverb. How was the storybook? It was interesting. How? Question is how. So, it is again adverb of manner. This is adverb of manner here. Okay. And the last one is we were looking for the child everywhere. Where were we looking for the child? Where? The question is where. We were looking everywhere. So, everywhere is the adverb and it is the adverb of place, children. Okay. It is the adverb of place. So, we finish off with this exercise. The next exercise. Circle the adverbs and underline the verbs. Now, be careful. You have to circle the adverbs and you have to underline the verbs here that they describe in the sentences given below. So, let us start with this exercise also. Please be careful when I am telling you. Please try to understand it very carefully. We ate dinner quietly. We ate dinner quietly. So, quietly is the adverb. How did we eat dinner? How? The question is how. So, we ate dinner quietly. So, we circle the adverb quietly. And what is the verb here? Ate. Ate is the verb. What work we had done? We had ate. Mother tossed the pasta in the pan easily. So, what is the adverb here? How the mother tossed? How? Easily. Easily is the adverb. And what she did? She tossed. So, tossed is the verb here. Okay. When it is hot outside, we watch television inside. अब इसमें क्या adverb क्या है? Inside, outside and inside. There are two verbs. जब बाहर कहाँ पर हॉट होता है? बाहर हॉट होता है. और कहाँ टेलीविजन देखते हैं? अंदर टेलीविजन देखते हैं. So there are two adverbs here. And what is the verb here? Watch, देखना is the verb here. How often, I went to see my great-grandmother last week. I went to see my great-grandmother last week. Last week. When? When is the question here. So, last week is the adverb, and what did I do? What is the verb which has been done? What is the action which has been done? See. Went. It is went. The went is the verb here. The work which has been done is went. How often do you visit the nearby park? This is interrogation again. How often? How often is the adverb here. And do you visit? What do you do? The verb, the action is which has been done is visit. So, visit is the verb here. We have to talk softly near the principal's office. How we have to talk? Question is how? We have to talk softly is the adverb. Near the, and what is the verb? The work which has been done, talk. Talk is the verb. Rohan started singing loudly. What did Rohan do? How did he sang? How? Rohan started singing loudly. Loudly is the adverb, and what was he doing? Singing. So, singing is the verb. The last one is the teacher was absolutely shocked by the student's reply. How was the teacher shocking? The shock was what? Which type of shock was it? Absolutely. He was absolutely shocked. So, absolutely is adverb, and what is the verb here? Shocked by the student's reply. Shocked. The action which has happened is shocked. The teacher got shocked. So, shocked is the verb here. Fine, children. So, we are done with this exercise also, and we are done with the chapter also. I hope you have very well understood this lesson, this adverbs, what are the adverbs and what are the kinds of adverbs. Yes, but again you have to do the repetition of this lesson, this chapter. You have to read it again, go through it thoroughly, read it, learn the rules, do the exercises again so that you understand it more nicely. So yes, now I'll take the leave here and I'll be back with a new chapter for you. So till then, stay connected, stay excited to learn the new things again with your friend Aprajita. So here I say bye to everyone.